Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a really quick and efficient way of inflating your roll mat, and all you need is one of these. So what is this? This is a pump sack. It's a really efficient way of inflating your roll mat or sleeping pad that doesn't involve a heavy pump or you getting exhausted by trying to blow it into the mat itself. All you have to do is find the valve on your mat, attach your pump sack, open up the pump sack itself, like so, and what we're going to do is just blow across the top of the pump sack. Not only is this a really efficient way of inflating your sleeping mat, but it also stops any moisture vapour entering the mat, which could turn into mould in the future. Once we've got a bag full there, all we're going to do is force it down into the mat. We're going to repeat this process until the mat is fully inflated. And that's how to use a pump sack to inflate your sleeping mat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.